Circuit Sketcher's a digital design tool that allows you to experiment and play virtually with paper circuit components before using physical materials. Choose from a variety of connectors, LEDs, battery holders, switches, and more. Remember to connect negative to negative and positive to positive to avoid short circuits. If you make a mistake, you can easily fix it and try again. In Circuit Sketcher, you can also move things around and even import your own artwork. With Circuit Sketcher, you can easily resize and change things as you go. Make sure things are lined up just the way you want them. When you're happy with your design, you can export your circuit template and artwork as a PDF and print them out for quicker fabrication. We'd love to hear your feedback on Circuit Sketcher.